Buongiorno da Roma.
Woo! We made it, guys. We are in Rome, Italy. It's a beautiful day outside. We finally got to our Airbnb late last night. It was quite the adventure. It was supposed to take 40 minutes, according to the host. You just take a train directly from the airport to the station right by the Airbnb. But we found out later that that train was canceled all day. So no wonder we were confused in the train station.
We could not get to this stop.
We couldn't find the stop because the train didn't exist. It was canceled for the day. So we had to figure it out. We actually had to take a train to a subway station, about a 30-minute ride. Then we had to walk a half a mile to the subway. So we've seen all parts of Rome already. And
it was quite the adventure, you guys.
It was, but today we have an awesome adventure plan. We are going to the Colosseum and
Pantheon, and also the Forum. And the Colosseum tour, it's all one package, but this Colosseum tour is the arena entry. So we're very excited about that because this is where the gladiators entered the Colosseum to fight as warriors.
hopefully we'll see Russell Crowe.
Maybe.
But we're bringing you with us. It's gonna be an adventure. Let's get to it. Let's rock.
Woo!
Apparently they have In-N-Out in Rome, but I asked for a double-double and they gave me the weirdest look. I don't know.
We just made it to the Colosseum and the tour doesn't start for another 20 minutes or so, so we are taking some beautiful pictures with the Colosseum in the background. Can't wait for you guys to see it.
And we did take the subway this time to get here. It was a breeze, no problems, because we're pros now. One of the advantages of booking a tour when you come to the Colosseum is that you don't really have to wait in line. You see the people behind me? They're lined up, huge line to wait to get into the Colosseum. But if you book a tour, you're gonna go in a special line and get in right away. We're looking forward to it. It's gonna start here in just a couple minutes.
Hello. One for you. Okay. One for the...
Are you excited, babe?
I am so excited, you guys. This is going to be so great. We're going to the arena floor where the gladiators came through. Yeah!
This building right behind me lays the ashes of Julius Caesar. He was cremated and his ashes were buried in this building behind us. Unbelievable. Climbing a very steep hill.
To the Palatine Hill.
Palatine Hill, baby. See, once you climb Palatine Hill, fresh water, don't fret. There's gonna be water at the top.
that valley you just saw was where the Romans would race their chariots, and it was to death. So if you were a slave of some sort, you could actually gain your freedom by winning. Wow.
Fun fact, all the trees are local here, but they actually brought in the palm trees from California. We have a little piece of home with us. We just wrapped up the forum portion of the tour. We're heading on in to meet Russell Crowe in the Colosseum.
It has been breathtaking, this whole floor experience, and getting in without having to wait in any big lines of any sort is really the best.
What was that thing? The Colosseum was incredible, but if you're gonna do the Forum and the Colosseum, the whole tour, it is a lot of walking. I looked at my steps. We did 6 miles, I think, from when we left the place to.
Wear some comfy, cozy shoes.
So
That's all I have to say.
Yeah, I wear some Vans, which are pretty comfy back in the '80s when you were skateboarding. But to walk, all the cobblestone and stuff, just be prepared. But we were so hungry after we were done.
We hadn't eaten all day today.
Yeah, we were pushing along our schedule quickly so we can get to the tour, but we finally got to eat, and we ended up at, what is it called, babe?
It is called Al Caldela.
No, Al Cardello.
Oh my goodness, see, that's what we're a team. You guys love it.
It's Al Cardello. Now, we didn't realize, but we are sitting, seriously, we are sitting at the 2 tables that
were used during the filming of Mission Impossible 7.
Now, it sounds like bullshit. I thought it sounded like bullshit, but the actual owner of this place came out and said after we ate, we had no idea. We were just walking down the street, and we walked down an alley. We're like, oh, well, let's go there because we were starving. But she showed us the footage on her phone of Tom Cruise literally right in front of her, behind this camera on a motorcycle, and them doing a car chase down the highway, down this little alley. Mm-hmm. So if you want to go to a movie spot where Mission Impossible 7 was recorded, Al Cardello.
Al Caldelo.
It's a great spot. The food is pretty good, and hopefully we can get the owner to show us the video clip so I can film it to show you that I'm not full of shit. Let's look at our table right there. It's one on the end. So that's from that angle, right?
Mm-hmm.
We're so slide. When in Rome. So at this point, we're just walking around downtown Rome. It's insane. Feels like you're in Las Vegas, if that makes any sense. But the truth is, Las Vegas was trying to recreate this whole vibe. There's historical buildings everywhere, but now it's modernized, obviously. But we did promise my mom we'd throw a coin in Trevi Fountain for her. So that's where we're headed. Not too far from where we're at. Let's do this.
So we made it to the Fontana di Trevi, and I have a coin here that I'm going to make my wish come true with. Here I go. Backwards throw.
Oh, you just missed that guy. All right, Mom, this one's for you. May your wishes come true.
Sorry, I got rid of my glove. I haven't touched anything. I'm sorry, I have not touched anything except for that. I got busted.
6 and 40, please.
Wait, what are you doing? I got like...
Oh, I thought
one piece-
that one piece of chocolate was all you wanted.
Seriously?
Okay, go back and get some more for you.
All right,
What?
let's try that weird strawberry thing. What is
Okay,
that?
let me feel around for it. Oh, it was easy to find. It's a sugar-coated
No,
marshmallow.
it looks like one of those things from Easter.
Strawberry.
What are they called? Chicks?
Yes,
Just
it,
all marshmallow?
it is. It is.
I wonder if it tastes like strawberry.
All right.
Let's see.
Way better than the Peeps.
Peeps, that's what it is.
All right.
So that guy ripped it, but it's funny because we asked for, we're asking him, hey, do you take requests? And he held out a cup, but we're out of euros. I only have like change in my pocket, and he wouldn't take US dollars. He's like, no, he wanted euros. So I had a $2 $2 euro coin. I put it in his cup, and he kind of shrugged it off and started the song. I thought we were only going to get like a verse and no chorus because $2, but he did the whole song.
He went all the way.
When in Rome. It's been such an incredible day in Rome today. We've had a blast. After getting serenaded by the accordionist, we found a random coffee vending machine, but not one like you've seen before. It was high tech. Didn't get footage of it, but 70-cent espresso, 90-cent cappuccino. Feeling great.
We got some zip in our step now.
And after the coffee, we kept walking to the shopping center, which we thought was a shopping center, but we ran into the thing behind us, which is the Pantheon. That's the cool things that happen here in Rome. You walk around and you'll find historical buildings all around you. It's unlike anything I've ever seen before.
So great.
Such a great time. But tomorrow we are heading to
Venice.
Venice. Our trip's not over. We're going to Venice. We're going to take the train, 4-hour ride here from Rome. And tomorrow is Halloween, if you can believe it, in the United States. We're not sure what goes on here or when we get to Venice, but we have a couple little costumes, I guess you would say. We're planning to wear them around town. Hopefully other people will be dressed up, but you know what?
This
we really
does
don't care.
happen to be my favorite holiday, Halloween.
And we really don't care. We're going to have a good time anyways. I hope you'll join us when we're in Venice. And remember, just keep rocking the boat.
Woo!
See you next time.
Yeah. When in Rome.